Good afternoon. I am Charlie here today with the Mississippi River Green team, and I am part of their crew too. This is Sue, Jim, Jared, and Yeshua. And our topic today is going to be about dragonfly monitoring. So Sue, what does dragonfly monitoring have to do with the Mississippi River or the city, or why is it important?
Well, the dragonflies, they're important because they're like an indicator, and so they're like lay their eggs in clean water. So yeah, they're like an indicator.
So Jim, what does dragonfly monitoring have to do with the Mississippi River Green team?
By monitoring dragonflies, we learn a lot of knowledge about dragonflies, how many different kinds of dragonflies that we have, and yeah.
Can you name some of the different kind of dragonflies?
Common
Like
glider.
the gliders, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So Jared, what is your experience with the dragonfly monitoring?
Dragonflies are difficult to catch. You gotta have a lot of patience. You gotta wait for them to land before you try to catch them. Yeah.
Okay. So Yeshua, how do you identify a dragonfly?
You identify a dragonfly by looking at its eyes if they're detached or attached, the body, the wings, the colors, and the abdomen. And you could tell if a dragonfly's gender by looking at its claspers, because if a dragonfly is a male, it should have 3 claspers, but if it's a female, it should only have 2 claspers.
Okay, so does anything affect the dragonflies if, like, for example, if you put like bug spray on?
If you put bug spray on and you touch a dragonfly, then that will affect it because it's a type of poison to insects and stuff.
So Sue, if there's a lot of dragonflies in a certain area, does that mean the city is doing a good job in cleaning the water or a bad job?
It means, well, means kind of both. I mean, we wouldn't be here if the water is not clean. So, yeah.
Okay. So Jim, what do you like about monitoring dragonfly?
It's very fun, and then if you catch like a rare one, like from down south, and then we get keep it and we send it to a lab, and they could observe it, and yeah, get results.
So Yeshua, about the antonym, if it's been cut off, can you still identify it?
You can still identify the type of dragonfly it is, but you can't identify the gender.
Okay, so can you identify a dragonfly by the look of his wings or no?
You have to look at the eyes and the color as well.
Okay. So Jared, I have a question. My friends once say that a dragonfly can sting you. Can it sting you?
No, it can't sting you.
Okay. So how do you hold a dragonfly? Sue?
Well, you catch it and then you sort of wrap around the net so it doesn't fly out. So when you try to grab it, you just put your hand in there, you wrap it around, and you try to pinch its 2 wings, and then yeah.
Oh, 4 wings. Okay.
Forward, yeah.
Well, thank you for all being here, and hoping to see you guys next time. And goodbye.